In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit footer on Wix. Your site's footer appears on every page, so updating it thoughtfully can instantly improve your visitor's experience and keep important information consistent across your whole website. I'll walk you through the exact actions to take and share simple tips to make each element clear, accessible, and on brand. First, open your site in the Wix editor and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the footer area spanning the full width of the site. If your page is long, use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar to get there quickly, and zoom out if you need more room to work. Click directly on the footer to select it. When the footer is active, you'll see its bounding box and a small toolbar. From there, choose Quick Edit. This brings up handy controls tailored to the elements inside your footer so you can adjust content without digging through multiple menus. Start with the paragraph text in your footer. Click into the text, highlight what you want to change, and type your updated copy. Keep this concise and useful. Think copyright details, a brief tagline, or essential contact info. Use the text controls to adjust font, size, color, and alignment so it matches your site's style and is easy to read. Next, edit any button you have in the footer. Select the button, change the label to something clear, and set its link to the correct destination, such as your contact page or a booking form. Use the design options to fine-tune the button's color and shape. Make sure there's strong contrast between the button and the background so it stands out. If your footer includes a social bar, select it to set or update each icon's link. Enter the full URLs for your social profiles, remove icons you don't use, and reorder them so the most important platforms come first. Consistent icon style and spacing help keep the footer looking polished. You can also change the column background in your footer. Choose a solid color that aligns with your brand, or pick an image if it fits your design. Prioritize legibility. Text should be easy to read against the background, and aim for a clean, lightweight image if you use one. Finally, review any other text blocks in the footer and make matching updates. Keep spacing tidy, align elements neatly, and ensure everything feels consistent. That's it. Scroll to the footer, select it, use Quick Edit, adjust your text, button, social links, background, and any remaining copy to finish strong.